One of the biggest opportunities right now is creating AI ads for products that are already in demand. Now, the problem is most people don't know how to find the products that are starting to blow up or how to study the ads that are already working. So in this video, I'm going to show you both. First, I'll show you how to find a winning product across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube Shorts. Then we're going to take that product, put it into Claude, and have Claude research which ads are working, why they're working, what hooks they're using, at what angles are driving attention. Then, using the Higgsfield MCP alt inside Claude, we'll turn that research into a UGC style AI ads with one single prompt. So instead of guessing what kind of ad to make, we'll just start with what's already working and use AI to create something similar with our own angle. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. All right, let's get into it. All right, so first of all, let's go ahead and figure out which product is currently working or which ads are working in TikTok Shop, Instagram, Facebook, and other platforms. Whatever platforms you're using, it's irrelevant. The ads are what's important. So I'm in Winning Hunter. Again, this is one of those platforms where you can actually see which ads are doing well, which ads are on the rise, and everything else. Again, I'm not sponsored by these guys. Feel free to use any other product similar to this. But as long as you're using some kind of product to see exactly which ads are doing well. So this is basically a place where you can find that. By the way, they have a free trial, so that's what I'm doing right now. And as you can see right here, it says 17 searches remaining today. So once you come here, so this is kind of the main page here. It's called Winning Hunter, app.winninghunter.com/dashboard. So these are all the different things that you can do. But again, I don't care about all of this stuff. So what we're going to focus on is just see which products are trending or doing well on TikTok Shop or Instagram or Meta or whatever you're choosing. So by default, it lands on Search Meta Ad Library. But what I'm going to do is actually head over to TikTok Shop right here. This is like in beta, I guess. So once you click on this actually just shows you in the last 30 days, or if you want, you can choose and toggle to yesterday or 7 days or whatever it may be. But I'm going to choose the last 30 days, right? So as you can see right here, this just shows all of the different products that are on TikTok Shop that are trending, that are doing well, the revenue growth, right? This is another very important aspect, because if you're a creator or if you want to become a creator to take advantage of this incredible opportunity where you're basically just creating AI ads and you're generating revenue from each of the sales, right? So as you can see right here, these are the top trending products, and it shows you that how much revenue these products have been generating. I mean, this PDRN pink collagen volume multi thing is generating $3.74 million the last 30 days. And it shows you that the revenue is kind of on the rise right here, right? So it says items sold 163K. And you can see this other one, this Toplax Magnesium Complex 8 Essential supplements, I guess. This has done 3 million in sales, but the revenue growth is 10% down. So you can see these are the top products, right? And then on the right hand side, so these are the videos that are doing pretty decent. So if I maximize this actually, so you can see the rest of it, there you go. So you can see these are the highest revenue videos and the top creators for each product. So for this one, for instance, if I just kind of like hover over, it opens actually the video itself. So take a look. So as you can see, these are like UGC ads. Now, UGC stands for user generated style ads or content. The great thing is, again, you can't really differentiate whether this is actually a real person or this is generated by AI. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to generate. So again, as you can see on the right, another one. Same thing, right? Like, there you go. So again, very simple ads, and same thing with this other product, right? I mean, this one looks like it's all AI generated. So now that you find this product, so let's say we want to create an AI ad for this one, because obviously this is a top selling product. So what I'm going to do is just click on this, right? So this is going to now open up the details of this product. You can take a look at the category. You can actually find similar products with AI. You can find view on TikTok and you can see all of the different details here. So I'm just going to basically copy this and go paste it on Google and find the TikTok ad. So there you go. This is TikTok Shop and this is the product. And as you can see right here, these are all the details there. And on the right hand side, you can see it says 530 or 503,000 sold, and it has 16.5 1,000 reviews, 4.4 stars, right? So now that we have found this product, all I'm going to do is just basically use this link. But before we do that, let's head over to Claude now. So I'm going to head over to Claude. Again, you can use Claude.ai on the browser, or you can use the app. I'm using the app. I think that's the best way to use it. Obviously, you got to make sure you have a pro account or the max account, whatever. But honestly, it's totally worth the investment if you even pay for the max. But anyways, that's up to you. You can use the pro account as well. All right. So once you're in Claude and you're all logged in, what we need to do is we need to have our Higgsfield MCP attached to Claude, so that way we can just automate this entire process. Now, the way to do that is very simple. Okay, so you're going to click on the plus button right here. You're going to come down to the connectors here. So I already have my Higgsfield, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So you're going to go to connector, manage connectors. Here, you're going to click on the plus button. You're going to click on add custom connector. And here's where you can name whatever, right? So I'm just going to use, let's say, Higgsfield, right? Remote MCP server URL. The way to get this is you're going to click on the link in the description. It's going to bring you right here to the Higgsfield CLI and MCP here. You're going to click on the MCP. Make sure you click on the MCP and on the Claude right here. And obviously you have to have an account for Higgsfield as well. But this is where obviously we're going to make this entire process automated. So this is kind of part of all of that, right? So once you come right here, all you have to do is come in the center here and click on copy here. So you're going to copy this custom connector link here, and then we're going to go back to our Claude. We're going to add this, and we're going to click on add. Now, of course, it says a server with this URL already exists because I already have this connector installed. But for you, it's going to go ahead and prompt you to connect to your Higgsfield MCP, allow that connection to occur on Claude, and then it's going to bring you back right here, back to your Claude, and you should have that Higgsfield MCP connected there. Okay, that's literally all you have to do. So once you do that, now you're going to go back. So we're going to go back right here to our Claude. Make sure you open a new session so you're good to go. So now if you click on the plus button now and hover over connectors, your Higgsfield MCP should be toggled on here. Okay, so that's all you need to do, and now you're connected to your Higgsfield. So the next step is we need to have a comprehensive prompt, so that way we tell Claude first to do the research, and then we're going to paste that product link and have it generate the ad for us using the UGC inside the Marketing Studio style. So if I go back to my Higgsfield here, I want to quickly point something out. So inside Higgsfield, there's this thing called Marketing Studio. Now, this is incredible because they've already done all the research on what type of UGC content works. So if I click on UGC right here, as you can see, so these are the different UGC styles. There's virtual try-on, there's tutorial UGC, there's unboxing, there's all sorts of different motions or different features that are in here, but we don't have to know too much about it because we're going to have Claude figure this out on its own. But I just wanted to point that out so that way you don't get confused in the prompt. So what I'm going to do is paste this prompt right here. By the way, if you want this prompt, just comment prompt in the below in the video, and I'm going to send you this prompt. It's a pretty comprehensive prompt, but again, you don't have to do this. This is just something that has worked for me pretty well. But let me actually put some spaces here so you can read this better. There you go. But you can use ChatGPT or Claude yourself to come up with this prompt. But there's 3 steps to this. So as I said, I'm going to paste a product URL, do this in order. The first thing is research the winning ads. Web search for ads currently performing well for this product or close competitors on TikTok Shop, Instagram Reels, Facebook, blah, 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 right? So you do the 3 to 5 strongest recurring hooks, right? And then afterwards, I'm going to say, the second step is propose the ad concept. Based on the research, write a 1-paragraph concept for the UGC ad that matches or beats the winners, right? And then afterwards, now here's one important thing. Now, for those of you who have been part of this world or you haven't, the winning ads or the winning videos are the ones that the first 2 seconds are the most important part, and that's the hook, right? So the hook is the first 2 seconds. That's what you want people, when they come on your video, they stop scrolling. That's all you need to do. So you have 2 seconds to grab the attention of the user. So the hook is probably the most important part of your ad or any video that's going to go on TikTok or any kind of short, like, whether it's YouTube Shorts or on Facebook or whatever it may be, right? And in the middle is going to be the demo. And then at the end, you have a CTA or a kicker, which says, hey, buy the product. Link is going to be in the description of the video. So after it does that in the second step, the third step is generated with Higgsfield MCP. So I'm actually telling Claude that now use the Higgsfield MCP Marketing Studio to produce the ad. Fetch the product into Marketing Studio from the URL, use the UGC preset or a product review, and then pick a hook ID from the show Marketing Studio. This is why I was pointing out earlier about the Higgsfield, this Marketing Studio, because there's a bunch of different hooks here or a bunch of different presets here. So I'm just letting Claude figure all that out itself. So that's why this prompt becomes very important. And on the bottom, just is the product URL. So this is where we're going to delete this. And I'm going to go back to that TikTok shop, right? I'm going to grab this, just copy it, go back and paste. So I'm just going to enter now. So now I'm going to let Claude do its thing. So what it's going to do now, it's going to do is follow step by step. The step one is going to be researching the winning ads, right? So it's searching the web. It's just following our prompt right here, right? And then step two is going to be propose the ad concept, and step three is going to be generating the ad with the Higgsfield MCP. So it's going to do more research on specific UGC formats for the stick and bomb anti-aging products, and then it's going to go ahead and find the research findings. So this is where the research finding comes. It gives you multiple different hooks, and then now it's going to generate the concept. So it says concept, the 52-second test, open a tight unfiltered close-up of a woman in her early 50s in their bomb mirror, blah blah blah, right? So you actually found the ad concept just like we described. And then now in the third option, it says generate with Higgsfield MCP. So it's going to ask you to allow. I'm just going to say always allow. And now it's going to go ahead and grab the product and fetch it into Marketing Studio first. And then afterwards, it's going to go ahead and generate a, there you go. So now it's going to say Marketing Studio presets retrieved. Of the presets that support the hook setting, product review fits this concept better than UGC. So it's actually, instead of UGC, it said that, you know what, I'm going to grab a product review, because I guess based on the research that it did on TikTok Shop and the different platforms, it found that instead of UGC, I'm going to use this product review thing, right? So that's the beauty of this. It's going to do all of this itself. We're not going to kind of sit there and manually type different things. So it even reduces the amount of manual research you have to do. The only thing you're doing is basically heading over here. Even if you want to skip this part, right? You can still do this and just have Claude kind of generate that and do the research from that one prompt. But I suggest kind of going that first step, because you want to give Claude some reference to see which ads are doing well, and then based on that, it'll figure out exactly what are the winning products, and then figure out what type of ad will work for that, and then generate the ad itself using all of the different features that are available inside the Higgsfield's Marketing Studio. So let's go ahead and let this thing finish. This is going to take a few seconds. All right, so it looks like it finished the generation. So there you go, as you can see, it gave me this, the video right here. A woman in her early 50s, no makeup, filmed a selfie in her bathroom mirror, soft lighting, extreme close-up. Okay, so let's go ahead and play this.
52, and this line right here.
Actually, let me download this because this is very small. Okay, let's take a look.
I'm 52, and this line right here, watch. 5% Volifine, PDRN. It's a filler stick, and it actually works. I did one side. You can see the difference yourself. I'm not going back to creams. Medicube, TikTok Shop.
Cool. So as you can see, it presents the product really well. So if I go back to my product here, so if I zoom in, right, this is this Medicube, this Medicube product thing. This 5%, it says Medicube 5%. So let me make sure that the lady is holding the same product. So if I go back here, yep. So you can see right there, it's the same exact product. So that's how accurate it is as far as the product that it's using. And by the way, obviously this is just for test. This is only 15 seconds and you can regenerate this. So let's say if you don't like something, right, you can click on recreate. And if I click on recreate it, you can actually change the prompt. So you can say, hey, like I want to change the woman, or if you want to say something like, I don't want it to talk about a specific line or make a specific claim or actually do something different. This this is where you can identify and change that in the prompt itself. You can actually also change the voiceover. So as you can see right here, it says voiceover. So this is the prompt that it generated. This is going directly into Higgsfield, so you can actually change this. So if you don't want it to say this 5% volufilant PDRN, it's a filler stick and it actually works, you want to say something different, so this is where you can change all of that. So there's a lot of customization you can do. So as you can see, this is a very powerful way to actually have Claude generate these ads while you're searching directly and using the products that are actually working right now, that are actually trending, that are actually selling and making revenue. So this is one of those tricks where you combine the power of a research app like Winning Hunter or whatever you want to use with Claude and Higgsfield MCP to completely automate all of the stuff, right? So there's no manual. You're not doing anything manually here. You're not filming or adding, or if you want to also increase the duration, by the way, if you want to make it 15 seconds or 30 seconds or whatever, you can always kind of regenerate a different ad or use another feature of Higgsfield to generate a more, like, let's say a 30-second ad. I think the supercomputer on Higgsfield is what you can do that with, which I'm going to do another video on because that's a really cool product as well. But anyways, hopefully you guys found that helpful. Now, if you're interested in learning how to monetize AI and start your AI agency with Claude Code, Voice AI, check out the community. Link is going to be in the description as well. This is where we show you step by step how to create services for businesses and actually to sell them. We have a bunch of people from our community who have already started their AI agency. They've gotten their clients like anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 with $500 to $1,000 retainer a month. Incredible space for you to collaborate with like-minded individuals. Again, link is going to be in the description if you want to join the community. We can also have calls there that if you get stuck or if you need any kind of tech support, we can help you out with anything. Anyways, hopefully you found that helpful. Again, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure you like and subscribe because I've got a lot more content coming up that you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.